In this session, we'll be covering a new technology called RView, which means remote viewing, and here's why. The new HR34 Home Media Center now puts RView capability right in DirecTV customers' homes. With RView, the Home Media Center, or HR34, it's possible for customers to enjoy all the features of DirecTV on RView-capable TVs in the home without a set-top box on each set. To do this, the HR34 acts as a server and the RView TV acts as a client. The TV set or client pulls the programming from the HR34 or server over an Ethernet network connection you make. Although the HR34 does not need an RView client for it to function, the use of RView clients makes your job faster and easier. It's important that you know while the HR34 is RView compliant, not all TV sets are. In fact, as of mid-January 2012, the only TV sets that would work in this network were the Samsung 6000, 6400, and the 6420 TV models. While most customers don't have one of these Samsung HD TVs, many are buying them right now to take advantage of this hot new technology. And while a set-top box isn't required, a network connection must be made. One of the first requirements is the DirecTV system in the home must be SWIM. This shouldn't be a problem since the HR34 has only one satellite input and 5 tuners, so SWIM is already required. The SWIM network is used to connect the RView TVs by broadband DECA. Here are the steps you need to follow to make that connection. Your first step in installing an RView client would be route an approved RG6 cable from the SWIM network to the RView HD TV location. Connect that RG6 to a DECA BB. Now connect an Ethernet cable from the DECA BB Ethernet port to the LAN port on the back of the RView HD TV. Now connect the DECA BB power supply to the nearest power outlet. And that's it, the connection is made. But we're not quite done. We need to make sure the HD TV set has the latest software. Samsung TV clients must have the latest software update installed before registering them to the HR34. The Samsung remote must be used to update the software. Power up the Samsung TV. First, verify the TV is connected to the network. Press the menu key. Arrow down to network, then select network status. You should see Internet is connected successfully. Select the close button. Now arrow down to support, then select software upgrade. Select buy online. The Samsung TV will then go online and download the software upgrade if one is available. When the download is complete, select Upgrade Now, then OK, and the TV will install the most current software upgrade. With the software in the HD TV set updated, the next step is client registration. Here's how you register the client so it can access the HR34 programming and features. Using the Samsung remote, press the source button repeatedly until the DirecTV RView source is selected. The TV attempts to connect to an RView server, which is the HR34 already installed. When the HR34 is found, the Retrieve pin screen is displayed on the Samsung TV. Go to the HR34 location and, using its remote control, press Menu, then select Parental Favorites and Setup, System Setup, Whole Home, then add a client. Write down the 4-digit PIN number that displayed. You'll need to enter that PIN number at the RView Client HD TV. Remember, you'll need to use the standard white DirecTV remote on the HR34. When pre-programmed, the RC70 won't work on that unit. Now, go back to the RView Client HD TV and enter the 4-digit PIN that you wrote down at the HR34. If the RC70 cannot control the RView TV, hold down the mute and enter buttons until the LED flashes twice, then enter code 54000. After creating a name for the RView client location, the copy setting screen is displayed. This screen can save you time by copying settings such as parental controls and favorite channels from the HR34 or other RView client to the TV you just set up. The next screen is the remote setup screen, which you should be familiar with. Once that client has been added to the network, a confirmation screen will be displayed. The RView client is now ready to display DirecTV programming. And that's it. The setup is complete. But before you dive into an RView installation, there are some important things you need to remember. As of mid-January 2012, only Samsung 6000, 6400, and 6420 TV models were RView compatible with the HR34. Even other Samsung models were not yet capable of providing RView using the HR34. A maximum of 8 RView clients can be registered to a single HR34. No more than 3 devices, either RView or MRV, can receive programming at a time. If you need to delete an RView client order line item using your handheld, customer care must be notified to adjust the customer's programming at the account level. This will prevent the customer from being overbilled for outlets you couldn't install. Customer care must also be notified if additional clients need to be added to an account. You should also remember that only the TV connected directly to the HR34 using the HDMI cable will be capable of viewing 2 channels simultaneously or picture-in-picture. Another thing you need to remember is even though the HR34 and all the RView clients won't be displaying the new HD on-screen guide, it will be introduced later. Now that you have a better understanding of RView and how the network looks and functions, it should make installing this new exciting feature even easier. For more in-depth information on RView, go to sitinstalltraining.com, click on the Materials tab, and scroll down to Home Media Center HR34 with RView. RView provides even more options for our customers. It's easy to install, and one more way we're holding the lead in customer satisfaction.